What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're all having an awesome day. So a quick update here on net gas, gold and crude oil, starting with natural gas. By the way, this all mess is my backtesting, and this is the strategy I'll be uploading in your MMTA student portal. I was testing this pair and turns out to be a profitable pair for me. So this entry pattern basically happened at the London prime time session. That is what coming to your way very shortly, so that we can pull out some more profit out of the market. So with that being said, let's jump on to analysis right here on Ovanda first. So what do we have right here? As you can see, the price just pushed up from this trend line right here, did not break and close below, and that is fine. We've been waiting for the breakout either above or below. Now at this point, I want to see, once this candle is closed, I want to see one more green candle that will close above. If it's below this trend line, that's totally fine, but once that happens, I have one more candle here that close above. I want to see a proper pullback above 50 EMA. If that happens, then I will enter my long trade followed by a bullish engulfing pattern. This is the pullback entry you learn in the priority group here on my YouTube channel, and if you are my MMTA student, you know we need to look for all 6 rules. So once all rules are met, we're going to enter our trade. Again, if you're confused, I want to see this candle closed above 50 EMA. One more candle close above 50 EMA. I want to see a good momentum over 50 EMA. Once that happens, I want to see a pullback of few candles happens above 50 EMA followed by a bullish engulfer. If that happens, we have a very likely chance that price will shoot up and break above upper channel, and once that happens, we continue to take long until the price hit this next level of resistance that I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. So keep an eye here, enter with a condition, still waiting for a better opportunity, wait with patience, only enter once we have a reason to enter. Otherwise, entering a trade randomly just give you lots of stress and lots of wait. So wait for the good condition to end. Now here on currency.com, I know the price has broken above 20 EMA. At this point, is still at this zone, this green zone, our support zone. I want to see a full breakout of that. Once that happens, again I want to see one more green candle, a momentum above 50 EMA. That once that happens, a pullback exactly the same as Rwanda, followed by my bullish engulfer, or a pullback to this green zone. And one more situation I want you guys to prepare for. So as you can see, we did have a double bottom pattern. We already took this trade. So at this point, we have a neckline right here. So just prepare your neckline, something, not your neckline, actually the neckline created by the price, and just keep it till the wick above and till the body above. So that is how you can make your zone, something like this. Now if you have a dramatic push up, break above this neckline, then right after the break and close, that will be also one of the entry, a less aggressive way to enter this double bottom pattern. So one will be this condition, and then a pullback to this neckline followed by a bullish engulfer. So these are the conditions you need to look at. First condition, if you have a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer, that is totally cool. Otherwise, break and close above, that would be your entry as well right at the close. And the third way will be the retest of this neckline. So these are all the conditions you need to look at. If that happens, let's say we have a dramatic push up, and you know what to do at that point. If that happens, we are good to go long, and if that happens, if we have a good reason to enter, then we have a very likely chance then price will continue to push up in a trend until the price hit this next level here in red. So keep an eye here, enter with the conditions only with our entry pattern. I won't be entering a trade randomly unless and until I see my reason to enter the way you learn here. Let's check gold. Gold has now broken below the level of support. There was a minor support, and that was expected. We did not get any sort of reason to enter in this area. At this point, I'm just expecting a pullback of 50 EMA right here, and then expecting a pull back down, a retest of this zone. It would be better if you wait until this candle is closed. Once you have a close of this candle, I want to see a pullback of 50% retracement at this point, 1855, from where if you want to enter in an aggressive way, that would be your aggressive entry. If you want to enter in a less aggressive way, wait for the pullback followed by a bearish engulfer, then you can enter. Your trade targets will be 1 ATR, right here the number here, it's 11, so it can be $5 to $11 up and $5 to $11 down as a stop loss and take profit. So keep an eye here. I'm bearish for gold. Let's check silver. Exactly the same as gold. We already have a retest of this zone right here, and price is now pushing down. I'm expecting further push down out of silver, and I'll be only entering my buy trade until the price hit this next level of major support, which is 20.72, goes up to 21.00, from where we will look for entry reason with one of the bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. So keep an eye here. I'm bearish for silver as well. We might get another retest of this zone before the price can fall again. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is resisting 50 EMA as expected. So at this point, I'm expecting a further push up. We might get few red candles again, followed by a bullish engulfer. If that happens, we are good to take long. Otherwise, the price is making highs. I'm expecting price to push up again and only entering buy trades until the price hit this next level of major resistance, 81.71. This is a zone from where I want to see one of the entry condition like bearish engulfers or my double top entry pattern. This whole zone is my selling zone. I will enter my sell trade within this zone, anywhere in this zone. So keep an eye here, not selling crude oil until the price hit this zone or the price dramatically push down, break below 50 EMA. Only then I will look for my sell opportunities. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.